Once there was a duckling who was drinking water from the pond. Duckling got sight of a frog and started to talk. Frog asked Duckling to swim and be ready for future. Duck started to swim in the water, but it was overconfident, so started to drown in the water. Duckling was helpless and started to paddle but failed. Frog and the duckling started to look at each other. Again Duckling started to paddle in the pond as she was to learn swimming and win the bet it made with the frog. After some time Duckling found that it succeeded in balancing in the water and was using the feet well and good. So we can learn that practicing lead to improvement and we can succeed in our goals.